What you just saw is what the typical Inventory.io user does when they install the app. They navigate around, they can't figure out how to import their products or fetch their products, and then they just go and uninstall it. So I've noticed quite a few users do that, and it's been bugging me. I should have really fixed it a while back. So I've made some changes to make it very easy for users to do what they want to do, which is connect their account and start importing and seeing everything work immediately. So I'm trying to reduce the time it takes for them creating an account to syncing their first product to be as short as possible. So I've made some changes which I want to show. This is the updated version. If we go in here, I'm just going to search onboarded true. A card pops up as soon as you log in, not log in, but as soon as you get onboarded, I pass in variable onboarded true, and then here you can connect to it. Prompts you with a card that says connect to eBay and start syncing your products, which basically just puts it in your face, connect your account and start using it. I'm not going to connect an account, but once you do connect an account, it will show up here, and then as you can see there's also a Shopify account, and then you can immediately start fetching by pressing fetch and then fetch items, and then I'll start fetching. Once the fetch products are there, you can start importing. Currently I don't really let Shopify products import. Shopify users import their products to eBay because I haven't really implemented that feature yet, but that's essentially what I do. So if we go into the code view, I have an use onboard mutation, and here when onboarded returns true, it basically prompts the user. I'm using Tanstack router, which is what you're seeing now. When onboarded is true, if we go into dashboard, we have a check in right here. So it checks if onboarded is true and then opens the dialog. I also have something called data is Shopify. This is just so if a user is Shopify, it gives a platform Shopify account connected fetching your products. So at the moment, I let users decide whether they want to fetch their products manually. When they connect their account, they have to do this. Users would have to press fetch and then fetch their items. I would let users do that, but noticing in the actual replays of what they would do, they would wander around or not really know what to do. So now I'm automatically fetching all their products so that when they go into the inventory page, there's some stuff in there showing that the products are there. And then when they want to import, technically with the Shopify they can't, but with eBay it's exactly the same. When they connect their account, it'll start fetching the products, and then it will essentially just let them start importing their products to eBay. That's what I've done. Hopefully this will improve churn, or decrease the number of users that churn out, and everything works. But I'm guessing some users will still start churning because that's the way things are, and I think I can make a lot more improvements in the future as well. But that's what I've done for today, and I need to work on something else today.